What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Di Manriva, and today we're making a Little Italy. The Little Italy was created by Audrey Saunders in 2005 for the opening menu of the Pegu Club. It was created at a time when Manhattan variations were really popular in New York. There was a guy named Vincenzo Errico who created a cocktail called a Red Hook. If you want to see that, just click the link above and you can see that video that we've made, and then you get a little history on that. But basically, Errico had done his own Manhattan variation and then named it after a Brooklyn neighborhood, and then all of a sudden, all of these different Manhattan variations kind of took off. The Little Italy is one of them, and apparently it is Audrey Saunders' ode to her mentor, Dale DeGroff. So let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is use half an ounce of Cynar. I wanna help you guys. Those of you guys who have gone out and bought a bottle of Cynar, well, here's another one to make with it. So half an ounce of Cynar. Then we're doing 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. We're using Cocchi Torino today. And then 2 ounces of rye whiskey. I'm opting to use the Overholt Bonded Rye because A, because I love it, B, because it's amazingly good quality, and C, because these are all strong enough flavors to support that hot, heavy, not hot heavy, but the hotter, more robust, more spicy rye that you would get with 100 proof. And then we're just gonna add some ice and we're gonna stir. I'm gonna stir so the lip is that way. Nice and chilled yet? Almost. Is that it? That's it. I think that's it. I think that's it. And then we are going to center our glass. And we are going to strain our cocktail. Beautiful. And now, I'm going to use my apron because I didn't think to have a rag around, but you don't want to get your cocktail into your cherries, so I'm just going to wipe it off real quick. If you're at work, don't wipe it on your apron. Go just rinse it off. And then I like to set the cherry on the side like that to just kind of get rid of the cherry juice, because I don't like a whole bunch of cherry juice going into my cocktail. I like to just drop it in there, because I'm not patient enough to spear it on a little spear. But if you want to do that, you can do that, by all means. Here we go. Drop it in. The Little Italy, my friends. Let's taste it. Exactly like a Manhattan, but you get that Cynar, you get that nice body in the middle of it, and then it's just super, just got that lovely bitterness on the finish. I don't want to say super bitter because it's not super bitter, but it's just like, you got that bit of lining of bitterness on the finish that is just so great, and it just pairs so well with the sweetness in the cocktail. There you have it, my friends. The Little Italy.